Ruben, go get the kitty cat.
Why can't we just do it there? Over there.
Ruben, come here, baby. Come here. Hi.
No, I can't help.
Come here.
I can't help.
Come here. Where's the kitty cat? Oh, that's nice. I got that on tape. Where's the kitty cat? Hi, Rixie. Hi. Hi.
Okay, I think we could.
Hi, Rixie. Yeah, you love a mama. Oh, I can't get it on camera fast enough. Oh.
But
Man, the cat's fast. He's up on the chair over there.